In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files with Microsoft Teams. Sharing files in Teams is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do it with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams and head directly to the chat option, which you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. This is where you initiate conversations and collaborations with your colleagues or peers. Once you're in the chat section, choose the person or group you intend to share the file with. After selecting your recipient, look towards the bottom of the chat window for a paperclip icon. This familiar symbol is your gateway to attaching files. When you're ready, click on the paperclip icon. A small menu will pop up, giving you some choices on where to retrieve your file from. You can choose to grab your file from the cloud, specifically from services like OneDrive, which integrates smoothly with Teams, or you can opt to upload directly from your device. For this example, we'll choose the Upload from this device option, which is quite handy when the file is saved locally on your computer or the device you're using. Once you've made that selection, a new window will open, prompting you to locate and select the file you want to share. Navigate through your folders, click on your chosen file, and hit the Open button. This action queues up the file, ready for your next move. Now, before you send the file, you have the opportunity to add a personal touch. You can compose a message to accompany your file, providing context or instructions. Let's say, for instance, you write, "Here is the file you requested." This text will appear along with the file in the chat, giving the recipient a quick understanding of what the file is about or why you're sharing it. When you're satisfied with your message and have confirmed the correct file is attached, go ahead and press send. Just like that, your file is on its way, efficiently shared with your chosen recipient via Microsoft Teams. In addition, if you find yourself needing to share files frequently, there's another method worth knowing. You can click on the Files option at the top of your Teams window. From there, simply press the Upload button you find and follow the same steps we went through earlier to select and share your file. And there you have it. That's the process of sharing files using Microsoft Teams. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If it has, consider giving this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.